Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, it's okay now. So please turn on your video.
Yeah.
What happened to Ayaz? Did you try to contact him?
No.
And did you complete your project? Submitted it?
I did the project. I'll take the video today.
Okay, today is the last date. Okay.
I'll do it today. Ma'am, you know that you posted some activities,
What activities?
the math solve,
What?
the puzzle we have to solve.
Yeah.
In one of that, there was a problem.
Hmm.
When I am writing the correct answer, but it's showing something else.
Which activity was it?
I'll show. See my screen.
Yeah, I can see Hadi. Is that activity you're saying?
Yeah, that the worksheet comparing.
Okay. Let me check it. But many done that activity and all got the same answer.
Not like that. Even I used the calculator to see what was the question's answer.
Yeah,
The answer which I wrote it was correct, but it was showing something else answer.
is it? Uh, and Ayan and Minna done that activity, no? Do you felt any difficulties?
Ma'am, you no. It. You even graded it.
Yeah. Okay, Hadi, let me check once again, okay? Okay, try doing that. If it's the same thing happen again and again, you skip it, no problem.
Okay.
Okay, Hadi, did you finish the project? Hmm? Did you? Hadi, I'm asking you,
Yes, ma'am.
did you finish the project?
No, ma'am, not yet.
Why? Today is the last day to finish it, right?
Yeah, I am doing it.
Submit it today itself, otherwise you will not get for time for submission. Your marks will be low, okay?
Yeah.
You have 25 marks for that, don't miss that marks. I'm saying it repeatedly because you have 25 marks for that just that project. Don't miss it. Ayaz, what were you?
Ma'am,
Yeah,
ma'am, do you have to take video or only or photo also?
sorry. I told you to
Ma'am,
describe it, no? Okay, you just do it and submit it. Take the photo of that, and if you can, you try to make that video too. Okay. Anyway, do it today. Today is the last date for that. I'll close submission after the due date. Okay. What was that, Hadi? Hadi?
Yes, ma'am.
What was that light came?
Light?
Yeah,
Hello, ma'am.
a line goes down from your sound to your head to down.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah, I asked.
Was
Where were
looking.
you?
I was restarting my computer, ma'am. Restarting. You tell me to do it, right? That don't next time don't no network issue.
Okay, now it's okay.
Yeah, yeah. Now I on my camera.
Okay, then on it. So, what were we taking? Hmm?
We finished one unit. Now we have to take percentages, large and small.
What dear?
We should take the
Percentage
next unit.
large and small was the proportion we want to take, right? Yeah. Now, I'll take that portion in your textbook. Percentage large and small.
I got it.
So,
What is
please
the
read
page number?
When is exam timetable? When is coming? Exam timetable.
exam timetable already given. I asked.
But I don't know
Yeah,
when I
exam is
cannot see it, ma'am.
starting in 18.
Yeah, exam is
Yeah,
starting
that I
next.
know. That I know. That I know. I
Timetable
don't. I
also
don't
is
know.
there in your
First exam.
timetable
But
also is there.
in timetable. Let me 1 minute, ma'am. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I get it. I get it.
Okay, check your groups every time. There will be many information.
Okay.
Don't miss
Oh,
it.
they also give the subjects also, right? Subjects
Yes.
name also.
Yeah, everything is there.
Okay. Okay, ma'am. Can I 1 minute? I will check in.
Now, what is the page number?
Can anyone send you the page number to him? Percentage large and small. Exercise 10.2.
118.
100 and?
218.
Yeah, I got it.
Okay. So, can anyone read the first question? Worked example 10.2 shows. Please read it. Hello, anyone read it?
To write 0.5 by 100 as a fraction in its simpler form, first multiply the numerator and denominator by 10 to get 5 by 1000. Then divide the numerator and denominator by 5 to get 1 by 200.
Ma'am, this is the new chapter.
Per chapter 10 in that point 2 version. The unit 2 in
Page
the
number, page
chapter.
number. Learner's book, page number.
220.
Minna, what are you reading? Are you reading the question 1? Look, in the question 1, worked example 10.2 shows how to write 17.5 percentage as a fraction. Right. Now choose some more percentages that ends in point 0.5. Write this percentage as fraction in the simplest form. What different denominators do you get? What is it? Look. So,
Ma'am, page number.
let's check the worked example. In this percentage, say,
Ma'am,
write
page number.
17.5. Yeah, page. Can anyone say give page number to him? It is 220, no?
Yeah, it's 220.
Okay.
Yeah, 220.
Look what they done here. The question is write 17.5 percentage as a fraction. All take the part worked example 10.2. All took it.
Yes.
Here what they done is they made 17.5 as a fraction, as a decimal and as a fraction. 17.5 percentages is converted into decimal and fraction. Okay. So how can we convert 17.5 to decimal? Hmm?
Divided by 100.
Yeah. When we divide it by 100, we will get the answer 0.175, right?
Yeah.
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 And 0.175 we'll get, and that is the decimal. And what about when we change it into fraction? When we change that into fraction, we get look here.
Increase the point.
Yeah, 17.5 is the question. So we can convert it into decimal simply by dividing it with 100. Okay, but we want to change something else, do something else when we do make it as a fraction. So look here, there is a point. To take off that point, what we should do?
Divided by 100.
No, when we divide it the 100, it will go. The point will go backward twice and it will become 0.175. Right, we want to take off that point. So what we want to do? We need to move this
Multiply by
point
10.
here. Yeah, we can multiply both by 10. Okay, we can multiply both by 10 and we'll get the answer as 175 by 1000. Got it?
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll get the answer 175 by 1000. And now we want to do what? We want to simplify it. How can we simplify it? What goes with it?
Divided by
Look, one is 175 and one is 1000, right? So in straightly we can just divide it by 25. Okay. Look, 75 is a factor of 25, and the what with anything which comes like the multiples of 100, then it will be also a factor of 25. So we can just divide both by 25. So what will be the answer? In 100
Um.
there is 425, and in 75 there is 325. So in total it is 4 plus 3. What is that? Just check. In 100 we already know in 100 there are 425, and in
Yeah.
75 there are 325. So 4 plus 3 is,
7.
yeah, so it is 7. So in 175 there are 725. And what about 1000?
4.
Just, just check. In 100 how many 25 is there?
4.
12.
In 100,
104.
yeah, in 100 there are 425. And look, and there is one zero there extra. That zero we can put here. So what the answer? The answer is 7 by
40.
40. So the when we convert it into fraction, we will get the answer as 7 by 40. Anyone got it now?
Yeah.
All got it?
Yes.
Now say in the same way, do the first question, the exercise 10.2.
Okay. Ma'am, can I ask you one thing?
Yeah, I ask, you can ask.
Yeah, totally. We all are five, right? Five.
What?
We all people. We
People,
are in
people.
this class. We are all five, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. They are showing the six people.
Because
Because
there
of
are,
presentation.
yeah, I'm presenting the screen, no?
Ah, yeah.
Listen to class, okay?
Yeah.
Understood what is this question? The first question. Write this percentage as fraction in their simplest form. We want to choose some more percentages that ends in 0.5. So what is the percentage that you choose? You can choose any percentages. What is that? Choose any percentages that ends in 0.5. What is that?
35.5.
Yeah, 35.5. You can use 35.5. So look, when it is 35.5, what we can do? How we can change it into a decimal?
Multiply. No. Divide by 100.
Yeah, decimal means we just divide it by 100. So it will become 35.5. We know already the percentages divide by 100, no? So 35.5 by 100. So the answer is
0.355.
yeah. Why no no one else is saying the answer? You didn't understood it? All got it? No. Anyone has any doubt? And what about the fraction? For converting it into fraction, what should we do? First, what we should do to convert it into fraction? Huh? Hadi, unmute your call and say. Hadi, are you saying the answer? You are on mute. What we should do to make it into fraction? Ayan, you don't know? 35.5 into 10? No.
Yeah.
First we should
Three fifty
first
five thousand.
we should take off this decimal and it will become 35. 355 by 1000 will be.
By thousand.
And what we should do again? We can simplify it, right? Simplify it by
By
5. Divide both by 5. Divide both by 5. What will be the answer? In 35 there are 7 fives and in 5 there are 1 5. So the answer is 71. And in 10 there are 2 fives. Right. And 2 zeros are there extra. So we can put the 2 zeros here. So the answer will be 71 by 200 for the question 35.5. All got it?
Yes, ma'am.
And what about the next question? Let it be 15.5. Hadi, say me the answer. How can we make it into decimal? How can we make it into decimal, Hadi?
Divide by 100.
Yeah, divide by 100. So what will be the answer? When we divide, it will the point will go
Point
backwards.
1555.
Yeah, 0.155. Now I ask, or how can we make it into fraction?
Yes, ma'am.
How can we make it into fraction?
Um, by 15.5
15.5.
by 100, right?
That we already done to make it into decimal.
Yeah.
Now what we should do to make it into fraction?
Fraction.
We should
First,
remove the
yeah, first multiply it by 10. Ayaz, are you not listening the class? How much time I was
When I'm
repeatedly
doing,
saying the question? Multiply both by 10 and we should take
yeah,
off the point, decimal point. So it will
yeah.
become 155 by 1000. And what is 155 by 1000? How can we simplify it? Ayaz, how
we
can
should
we
remove
simplify it?
the
Divide both by 5. Is it? So 15
Yeah.
there is 3 5s and in 15 there are 3 5s and in 5 there are 1 5. So it will become 31 by 200. Okay. So that's it. So now you got how to convert a fraction with a decimal point to a percentage with a decimal
Yeah.
point to fraction and also to decimals, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, now we can move to the second one. So do this as a homework, okay? Do the second question as a homework. Copy and complete the table. Is there anything more in the question?
No, that's same.
Yeah. So we should write 100 percentage as $80. Now what will be 50 percentage of $80? 50 percentage of $80 is 100 percentage is $80. So 50 percentage will be, what is the relation between 100 and 50?
40.
Yeah, 100 is just the double of 50, right? In the same way, just the half of 80 will be the answer for 50 percentage. So the answer is,
40.
yeah. So the answer is 40. Now we need to write, we need to find the 5 percentage of, why not? Excuse me.
Or
Yeah, we need to find 5 percentage of 5 percentage of 80. For finding 5 percentage of 80, what we'll do? First, we will multiply 5 into 80 by 100. Right? This is how we studied, no? To find some
yeah,
percentage of anything. Yeah, so first we can cut this two zeros. So it will become 5 into 8 is 40 and 40 by 10 will be the balance. So now we can cut this two zeros and the answer will be 4. So write 4 here. This is an important question, okay? Very important question. Now what about 0.5? 0.5 percentage of $80. What we should do here? 0.5. 0.5 into
0.4.
0.5 into, yeah, that's correct. 0.4 will be the answer. So before, why you are just saying by this, no? How do you find it? 0.5 into 80 by 100. So before doing, can I say you something? Listen here. Here it is 0.5 into 80. In the question, it is 0.5 into 80. So if we remove this 0 here and just make this point here, what will it become? I'll say in some more detail. 0.5 into 80 is what? 0.5 into 8 into 10, right?
Ma'am, why do you
Right.
have to do this like this? Can't we just make it
You want to
divide
find
like this?
the percentage of this 0.5 percentage of this 80, and in the same way for 100 percentage. So 50 percentage of 300 you should find, and now 5 percentage of 300 you should find, and the same way you should do it. Okay, look. So 0.5 into 8 into 10 is this, right? So what is 0.5 into 10? 0.5 into 10 is
5.
5, right? So we can write 0.5 into 80 as 5 into 8. Okay. We just remove that point from there by making 80 as 8 into 10, and then we multiplied 0.45 by that 10. So it became 5 into 8 by 100. 5 into 8 is
40.
40, and 40 by 100. You can cut
0.
this to 0, so it will become 0.4. The answer is 0.4. Okay,
Yeah.
all got it. Okay, do this 300 here from here. 50 percentage of 300? Just the half of 300. What is it?
150.
Yeah, 150. Now 5 percentage of 300 means just remove that 0, right? 5 percentage means if 50 has 1 0, 5 has no 0. So in the same, just repeat here. So it will be 15. And 0.5 percentage means it will be 1.5. Anyone got this? What I done here?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. 50 percentage means we know it is just the half of 100, and this the difference between 5 and 50 is what? 50 has 1 0, 5 has no 0. So we'll remove that 0 here, it will become 15, and 0.5 it will become, of this is just 1 point is there before that, so 1 point we'll put here. What will be here? 5 percentage of 45. First let us say what is 100 percentage of 45. 50 percentage is given. So what will be 100 percentage? Just the double of 45. What is the answer? Yeah, it's 90. Now what about 5 percentage? 50 is 45. So 5 percentage means it's
35.
what?
4.5.
Yeah, it's 4.5. Look, 1 0 is gone from 50, right? For 5. So we'll just put 1 point here on the middle of this 4.5, 45. So it becomes 4.5. And what about 0.5? Meena, what is the answer for 0.5?
0.45.
Yeah, it's 0.45. And what about here? Here 5% is given. So what will be this? Five percent is given. So what will be 50%? Hello.
320.
Is it 320? 50%? 32, right?
Yeah,
Just
32.
one time the point should go forward. And what about here?
320.
Yeah. And here it is 0.320. So all got it now? Move to the fourth one. What is 2% as a fraction? 2%
Ma'am,
as a fraction means it's 2 by 100, right? It will become 1 by 50. What about 2%? 0.2%. It's
0.1.
0.2 by 100. So it will become 0.1 by 50. In the same way, what about 8%? 8 by 100. It will become 4 by
4 by 50.
50. Again, we can simplify it, right? 4 and 50 has 2 in common. So it will become 2 by 25. What about 0.8? 0.8 by 100.
0.4 by 50.
0.4 by 50. And it will become the last 0.2 by. Only the thing is, here 2 has no point, here 2 has point. Okay. What about 7? Hmm? 7 is just 7 by 100. And point 0.7 is 0.7 by 100.
My own question.
Yeah.
Instead of writing 0.2 and 25, can we just write 2 by 250?
Yeah, that's also right. We can write 2 by 250 also. When we multiply both by 10, we will get 2 by 250. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
for the last third one, uh, the 100% for the 3.20 is what?
100%, that is 320. Okay. Look, when we moves up, the zero, when we moves up, the zero adds, and when we moves down, the zero comes down. Okay. It's not 320, I'm sorry. It becomes 32 here, and here it will be 64. Okay, just the double of 32. So 100% will be 64. It's not 320.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Is there something wrong here?
What I said was 320, is
Yeah.
it? Okay, okay, no problem. I'm sorry. Now move to the fifth one. 1% of 600 kilogram. Can you do this as homework?
Yeah.
Do the question 5. as homework. Okay, work out 1% of 7,000. How can we find 1% of 7,000? 1 into 7,000 by 100. So we can just cut this two zeros. Okay, and it will become, what is 1 into 70? The answer is 70. Okay, so 1% of 7,000 meters is 70 meters. Now, in the same way, we need to find out 2% of 70. 2% of 70 means it's, what will be? We know 1%, so what will be 2%? Instead of 1, here 2 will come. So 2 into 70, what will be the answer? 140 meters. Now what about 0.5% of 7,000? We know 1 is 70. So 0.5 means just the half of 1, right? So what is 70 is half. What is the half of 70?
35.
Half of 70 is 35. 35 meters, okay. And what about 0.1 of 7,000? 1 is 70. So what will be 0.1?
0.70.
1 is 70. So 0.1 is just, we'll cut 1 0, right? So 0.1 is 7. Look, 1 is 70. So 0.1 is, look, there is 1 point in front of here. So it will, here also 1 0 will go. So it will be 7. Okay. Now what about 0.3 of 70? We know 0.1. So what will be 0.3? We know 0.1 is 7. So what will be 0.3? 0.3 is 0.1 into 3, right? So it will become 7 into 3. So the answer is 21. Okay. All got it now? Anyone has any confusion? Hello.
No.
How would you work out 1.3% of 7,500? How can you do it? 1.3% of 7,500. So 1.3 into 7,500 by 100. Okay. Can cut two zeros of this. I mean, before this cutting the two zeros, let me say you something. We can take off this point. Okay. So it will become 13 into 750 by 100. And then we can cut this two zeros. So it will become, what is 13 into 75? What will you get the answer when we do 13 into 75? Are you all listening?
Yeah.
What is the answer for 13 into 75? It's 975, okay? 975 by 10. So the answer is 97.5. Got it, everyone? How we done that?
Yeah.
Or what we can do is first we can find the 1% of 7,500, and then we can find 0.3% of 7,500, and then we can add that both. But I think more than that, this is some symbol. Okay. Work out 1 by 3 of 100. How can we do that?
Divide 100 by 3.
Yeah. Yeah, that's it. Divide 100 by 3. So what will be the answer?
33.333.
It's 33.333. And what is 1 by 3 as a percentage?
33.323%.
Yes, because 1 by 3 of 100 is 33.33. So, so when we write 1 by 3 as a percentage means it's okay. Now, here Zara says 1 by 3 is 33 percentage, but Arun says 1 by 3 is 33.3 percentage. Which one is correct? Who could Zara, how could Zara be correct? And how could Arun be correct? Whose answer is correct? Whose answer is correct? Arun or Zara?
Both. I think it's Arun.
Yeah, it's Arun's is correct because we found that 1 by 3 is equal to 33.3 percentage. So Arun's is correct. Zara's is not correct. Okay. So that's it. Move to the next
Ma'am, it
question.
goes infinitely, right?
Yeah, it goes like that. Write each of these mixed numbers as a percentage. The first one has been done for you. So now, up to now we studied converting fractions to percentage, but now it is mixed numbers to percentage. Okay. So mixed numbers means we know 1 into 2 plus 1 by 2. That is 3 by 2. 3 by
Ma'am,
2
in the
per.
eighth question, there was one more
Okay,
question.
I saw that. Just skip that question. It's not necessary. Okay, so 3 by 2. What is 3 by 2? How can we convert this into percentage? We know 3 by 2 is 1.5. So 1.5 into 100. Sorry. So 3 by 2. We can change it into 2 into 50 and 3 into 50. So it will become 150 by 100. Right. So it's 150 percentage. We got it now. All understanding?
Yeah.
Then why no response is coming from your side?
Ma'am, can you explain it one more time?
Yeah, sure. You can ask like that if you didn't understood. Look, 1 by 1 by 2 means it's 3 by 2. That all knows, right? 1 into 2 plus 1 by 2. Right? Huh? Please reply, guys. So we know
Ma'am,
that
I
1
did the
into
question.
2 plus 1 by 2. So it will become 3 by 2. And 3 by 2 is what percentage? We should make this to 100. So 2 into 50 is 100. And we should do here also 50. So it will become 150 by 100. So it's 150 percentage. Understood, Minna, now?
Yeah.
Now what about 1 by 4? How can we make it in normal fraction? Minna?
5 by 4.
Yeah. Yeah, it's 5 by 4. So 5 by 4. How can we change it? 4 into what is 100?
4 into
25.
20.
Yeah. 4 into 25 and 5 into 25. So it will become 120. 5 into 25 is 125 and here it is 100. So what
So 1
percentage? So 125 percentage. Now what about 1 by 4? So sorry, 1 3 by 4. Will you do this the balance as homework? C, D, E and F. Do it
Ma'am,
as homework, okay?
ma'am, the answer for that one is 7, right?
Which one? This one. 1 3 by 4.
See,
Yeah, it's 7 by 4
7.
will be the question. 7 by 4 and it will be 25 and it will be 25. So here it will become 5 into 25 is 125 and it is 175 by 100. It's 175 percentage. How could it become 7?
I did not say the denominator. Only the
Uh-huh.
numerator.
Okay. So here it will be 1 into 10 plus 3, that is 13 by 10. Okay. 13 by 10 means 10 into 10 and 13 into 10. It's 130 percentage. Okay. Okay. So do the rest from your home. Write 1 by 5 as percentage. Write this mixed fraction as percentages. Repeat the homework. This is a question 10 and question 9 is also a homework. Okay. Work out 30 percentage of $60. Skip this question 11. It's not necessary. Now look here. Question 12. Look at the diagram. What percentage of $50 is $40? Here we are comparing the two percentages together, two quantities together. Okay. So what
We have to
percentage of
do the 10th question.
10th question is a homework and skip the 11th question and now we are in 12th one. I think the time is up. We can discuss this question tomorrow. Okay. There are 20 questions in this chapter. My God. Okay, then bye. Revise it. Okay. If you have any doubt, contact me. Bye.
Bye.
Bye, all.